Did you know that oxygen, which is so vital for us, is one of the main reasons for the aging process? Interestingly, it doesn't affect all of us the same way. In this video, we will take a closer look at the causes of aging and the role your genes play in it. Although we need oxygen to survive, it is actually a very aggressive substance. Not only can it cause iron to rust, but it also causes a lot of damage in our bodies. About 5% of the oxygen we inhale is converted into toxic free radicals. These substances can damage DNA and thereby cause cancer, but they can also damage cell walls, proteins and other important structures, leading to the aging process. Over the years, this accumulating damage results in typical signs of aging, such as skin aging, gray hair, and an increased risk of various diseases. On a side note, excessive alcohol also produces additional free radicals, and it is precisely these that kill off the ends of brain cells, not the alcohol itself. When there are too many free radicals in the body's burden increases. This is referred to as oxidative stress. But let's take a closer look. A major source of free radicals is the cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria. There, oxygen is converted into the free radical superoxide. Superoxide behaves like a fire in a dry forest. It damages the immediate surroundings, and the damage spreads like a chain reaction in all directions. However, there are other types of free radicals that can cause a similar fire in other areas of the cell. Over our lifetime, this damage accumulates, and that is one of the reasons why we age. Since these substances are so harmful to the body, evolution has equipped us with a genetic fire brigade. The SOD2 gene, for example, neutralizes superoxide exclusively. The GST genes act as a fire brigade in the rest of the cell and neutralize other free radicals before they can do any damage. So our genes protect us from these aggressive substances and keep our body young and healthy. However, in some people, these genes have frequently occurring gene defects. When these genes do not function properly, the protection against free radicals is also missing, and the aging process accelerates. This is also one of the reasons why some people look older than they actually are. However, all is not lost for carriers of such gene defects. There are other ways in which free radicals can be neutralized. To revisit the fire example, if the fire brigade cannot extinguish the forest fire, then the rain must do it. And it is precisely this role that certain micronutrients can fulfill. The so-called antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, are ingested and flushed through the body. When they come into contact with a free radical, it is immediately neutralized before it can cause any damage. For this process to work properly, these antioxidants must be present in excess and everywhere. Many of these vitamins are also excreted in the urine shortly after ingestion. Some critics of vitamin supplements therefore call this just expensive urine. What they do not consider is that this is the only way to ensure that wherever a free radical is formed, antioxidants are also present.